Hello and welcome to Paper Plays Julie K.
Hello crafty friends, and thank you so much for stopping by and checking out my latest video. During this holiday season, I really wanted to create a few beautiful Christmas trees to decorate my home and also to give out as gifts. My goal is to mainly use supplies from my stash to decorate the paper mache cones that I have picked up at Hobby Lobby and thrift stores over the past year. This is the 6th video of this series, and I will have a playlist available along with links in the description box below if you are interested in checking out the other videos in this series. If you love pearls, you'll definitely love today's relatively easy and simple tutorial of decorating a paper mache cone tree with a string of pearls and a few beads for the topper. Stay tuned for the rest of the tutorial. While I was making yesterday's tree with the buttons and the pearls, I thought maybe it would just be nice just to do a tree, again, kind of a tree to set next to my doily tree that I created, and then that last button and pearl one. And I was just thinking it might be nice just to do one with all pearls, so that's what my plan is for this one. But to start off with, I'm actually going to work on the topper. And I've picked out a couple of beads from my stash. What's nice about these cones is that there's a little hole on top. And again, I'm using a cone that I painted with chalk paint. It did start off looking like this. This one is 7 inches. And these cones I did get, my mom crochets, and these were some vintage crochet threads that she got that came off of these. And so she just gave me the cones when she was done with them. And this particular one, I did actually put a base on it. You don't have to do that. But I'm thinking I'm going to put this on the top. And then, of course, the rest of it's just going to be pearls all the way down. But so I'm going to kind of make this like I would a stick pin. And then I'm going to glue it down in there. But I'm going to... I'm just starting off with a stick pin that has a pearl on the top, and then I added kind of a clear bead, a couple of spacer beads, and this big pearl bead. And I'm just going to put a little bit of glossy accents just right along here. And I'm just going to slide the beads over that. And that'll hopefully kind of hold it. And then, of course, once I glue it on place on here too, that should hold it. So I'm just going to set it aside upside down while that dries. And then I'm going to start working on the actual cone here. So now to glue this down, I think I'm going to do 1 row at a time and then cut it and then just keep on going that way. So let's get started. Again, for this one, I am going to use hot glue. So I'm just making sure that it still sits flat. There's the first row. So let's do another one together. So that's what it looks like so far. So I'm going to continue doing that all the way up, and then we'll go ahead and add the topper. So here's what I have so far, and I don't know if it's going to show on camera, but there's a lot of glue strings on here, hot glue strings. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to zap it a little bit with my heat tool. And then the final step is to go ahead and add my topper. So here's my completed tree. I really like the simplicity of this one. And it was quite easy to put together. Thank you again for spending some time with me today to create something beautiful. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and would love to hear back from you in the comments section below. Don't forget to check back tomorrow to see another episode in this series. And until then, have a wonderful day and happy crafting.